So now, we're going to look at putting 5 volts across a 220 ohm resistor. And you're going to see a lot of 220 ohm resistors in 5 volt circuits. So, if you put 5 volts across 220 ohms, that's 5 volts divided by 220 ohms equals 0.023 amps right there, which is usually converted to milliamps when you're talking about how much is flowing through the circuit, 23 milliamps of current. And you take that current, 0.023 amps times 5 volts across the resistor, and you got 0.114 watts. That's pushing the limits of the wattage, because most are rated for 0.25 watts, and you want to stay below half that, 0.125 watts. We're a little bit below that. And commonly, these are used to protect like red LEDs, 220 ohm protecting red LEDs. The red LED, though, drops a couple volts from it, so you actually get lower current than this, which is good for the LED and good for the resistor. It doesn't get as hot